guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Fashion.
The party season is here and it's time to glam up. I know it can get a little overwhelming to figure out what to wear and what works for you. I mean, there are days when you just want to go all out and then some days you want to be just comfortable. I get it. That is why I'm here to help you figure out what to wear for your next party with the POPxo Video Stars. The Ginger Campus Squad is first of its kind initiative by our favorite fashion brand Ginger by Lifestyle in association with POPxo. To be a part of this cool squad, register now and the link is in the description box below. There you go. I've got you sorted for all your upcoming parties. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you thought about the looks in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to register for the Ginger Campus Squad by clicking on the link in the description box below. Every outfit in this video can be found at Ginger by Lifestyle, so go check out their latest collection. And for more styling tips and tricks, keep watching POPxo Fashion.